Hello? Hello? Why did you call me? I told you my wife is around. She's around. As I'm talking to you now, I ran enter inside kitchen to answer this call. Eh? I know you love me so much. I know. But stop calling me by this time. Oh, what is your problem? Stop calling me by... You know what? Okay, let's just book a time. By this time, next tomorrow, we're going to see. At that junction now, hey, you want to call me video call? By this, you miss me so much. I know you miss me so much. Yes, I love you more than my wife. I know, but stop calling me by this time. Hey, you are calling me video call. You miss me so much. Hey, Jesus. Okay, no, let me just see your face. Let me just see your face. Hey. Hello?
Arab. Hey, just wait for me. Wait for me.
Jesus.
So you're cheating on me.
Jesus.
Arab, you're cheating on me.
Jesus, babe. Hey.
Arab, you're cheating on me.
What?
Eh? You're cheating on me.
What are you talking about the free?
What